In this video, we are going to go over how to translate a word problem that has hidden points in it. And we're going to see why point-slope form works really well with this word problem. Let's dive into it. I'm pretty pumped. The population of a town increases by 700 people per year. Now, if you didn't hear slope in the word increases, the idea of 700 people per year means everything. So that per year, that's the rise of people per a run of years. So I'm just going to write down right here that m is equal to 700 before I even know what I'm asked to do. We'll keep reading. In the year 2021, the population is expected to be 8,300. Now here's the thing. That's two different kinds of units. You have years and you have population. That's a coordinate followed by another coordinate. It's actually a point. So you're actually being told when x is 2021, the output will be 8,300. Isn't that pretty sweet? I think it's pretty cool. So let's see if that holds up, but that's just a little bit of a translation that I'm doing. What is an equation that gives the town's population y x years after 2019? All right, we're gonna have to change that x value a little bit because we're told that x is the number of years after 2019, and 2021 is 2 years after 2019. So we'll erase the 2021. And we'll replace it with 2 because that's the number of years after 2019. So just by doing a little bit of translating from all these words in this paragraph, we've discovered what we really have here is a point and a slope. If we want the equation that describes something that goes up linearly at a constant rate and we have a point and a slope, well, we should use point-slope form. Recall that point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So all I got to do is plug in my values and I've got the equation we seek. Y minus y1 would be the 8,300 we're given, is equal to 2, that's our slope. Ooh, not 2, my goodness. How about I pay attention to what I'm doing? Our slope is 700, but of course, see, even I make mistakes sometimes. And you know what? I'm not editing that out because this is real math right here, peeps. And then it's x minus 2, our x value. That's it. That's our equation. Now I'm going to go one step further. Even though this problem doesn't ask us for it, sometimes in these kinds of word problems, you're asked to predict what will be the population of the town after 7 years, or maybe in 2025. Well, in 2025, that would be 6 years after 2019. That would be a value of 6. And that's why this is so awesome. So we'd have y minus 8,300, where y would be the population. And what I would do is I would plug 6 in for x, because that's the number of years after 2019. So just pointing out, this right here is our final answer. I'm going one step beyond. So we solve this out, and notice this, 700 times 4 represents a very sensible answer here if you think about it. Well, we'd have 4 times 700, right? 4 times 700 is going to be the number of years after 2021, right? 4 plus 2021 gets us 2025. So we will have changed 700 times 4. That's how much we will have gained in people since 2021, right? 4 times 700, 4 years, 2,800 more people. And that's why this gets awesome. We then will add 8,300 to both sides because 8,300 is the original amount that we had in 2021, plus the 700 people over 4 years that we've gained. And when we simplify that, we get 8,300 plus 2,800, and that's going to be equal to, let's see, 11,100, I believe. 11,100 people. Very cool stuff. So hopefully that last little part wasn't too heavy for you. I got a little conceptual, but the main part is getting to this. Seeing that there's a point and a slope in the problem and just letting point-slope form roll from there. See you in the next video.